a gentle sign in the quiet sky, gliding over shadows of the night, carrying something words can't quite define. A hush falls over the world below, as hope arrives in a feather